Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Soul 123. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale. Look what I got here, 15 Honda Fit guys, 15 Honda Fit with a manual transmission, under 100,000 miles. I believe like 80,000 miles. Nice little red car guys, very affordable and reliable at the same time. Okay, so we're gonna look at this very quick and go back to work, and we'll go back to what we do the best. Take a look. Take a look. I think the car looks nice, and the best part that I like, you know me, is the manual transmission. I don't really see them a lot with manuals. I mean, they're around, but I don't really see a lot with manuals in general. Okay, so let's start from beginning. The hood looks good. Does have some rock chips and stuff. Take a look. I don't know if you see it. Does have original windshield right there. Headlights look good. The front bumper looks good. I don't see any major damages. If you have few scratches or dings, you will. The fender looks good. Does have like a little ding right here. You see? Tires 50-50, maybe 60%, but I wouldn't say they new. Okay guys, tires okay. You got nice plastic hubcaps. Look at that. Doors look good, and the quarter panel look good. Like I said, this vehicle does have like these minor rock chips, okay, here and there, small nicks. All right, the top looks good, and you got this faded wing, and it's on the roof. Mirrors are good. Interior, all right, I see the interior is very well maintained. It's a non-smoker. You're not smelling any cigarettes inside. The steering wheel is nice. I like that. Like I said, I like that manual transmission. I think it's amazing. You got the book right here too, and I think we only got this one key. Okay, so you get one book, one car, one key, one love. That's pretty much it. By the way, that's me. Now next, this door panel looks good. I don't see any problem. You got this aftermarket tint windows. You can always retint. I personally don't like tinted windows. I can see at night. It's too dark for me. Okay, the seats is nice, and the headliner also nice. Okay, we're gonna go on this side. Now what we got here, back of the car, trunk space has a ding right there. Okay, so when you open your trunk, be careful, don't hit anything. Usually people boom and hit something on top in the garages. Okay, you got this, you got what is that? Okay, you got a spare. Here's your bottom of the car. Bottom looks good. Yes sir, that looks good. Okay, so we're gonna close this up. Take a look. Rear bumper looks very nice. Quarter panel on this side looks good. Take a look. I don't see any damages. Same tires in the back. Look at that. I think tires are actually nice. They're not that bad. Okay. The tire size, by the way, 185/60/15. Okay. Here's your back seats from this side. Your door panel. The wood trim a little loose. Look, it looks like it's some kind of a. How they make this? Like plastic. Okay, and this side, and this is the roof. Take a look. There's some kind of discoloration here. Okay, the driver's seat looks good. Take a look. Door panel, and I think we should start the car. Okay, so it's a 97,907 with miles. 97,907 with miles. So you got your Bluetooth connectivity right here, and I don't know how this. Okay. Okay, this is works. All right, AC works. All right, and sounds like a Honda. Look. Nice. Not gonna drive anywhere now. So it's a, oh man, it's a 6-speed? Damn. I like that. I like 6 speeds, guys. It's a 6-speed manual Honda Fit. Okay, so hot outside. Let's go under the hood, see how it is. Look at that. Guys, there is no cheap Honda Fits, alright? Especially with manual. Look at that. There's another ding right here. Now, and another thing I tell you, now, if you're looking for this affordable car like that, if you have few nicks and dimes here and there, like dings and stuff, and don't kill the messenger. I'm not gonna go and repaint the whole thing or do things. I'm just gonna sell you the way it is. I'm gonna make sure, you know, transmission, engine, everything is good, and everything else is whatever. It's, you will be driving the car. I'm sure you'll get more dings and more dents on it, regardless. Okay. The whole point of this car is saving money on gas, saving money on your purchase. All right. So like I said, don't kill the messenger. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, beautiful. Guys, friendly disclosure, like I always say, this vehicle is sold as is. Taxes, fees, registration is not included in price. All your documents could be done remotely if you're not present. All right, few documents obviously are gonna have to be notarized and signed in person. If we do that, we will always send you a FedEx envelope prepaid and we'll do your documents. Now, another I think the shipping, if you want to ship the car, it's going to be $1 to $1.50 a mile. Always, we always try to help out with the shipping, so we're going to make sure we work with the driver for you not to overpay for the shipping. Now, if you're going to have any questions, right, and if you need more pictures, you can always call us. You can call us and request more pictures, all right? But we have so many pictures, we have so much correspondence for you guys, we have so much information for you. Like, for example, look at that. Okay, so we'll have so much information for you. I think should be enough. Now, if you decide to purchase the vehicle, feel free to call us directly. Thank you so much. And I always say, if you're watching this video, that means we're doing something right. God bless.